In this lecture, we're going to focus on people search engine. Now, beside collecting technical informations and email and information about different website and domain and the information exposed on the internet and so on, one of the good resources in Foortprinting is to collect information about people that work in this organization. This is important while we are planning for some kind of attacks like social engineering. So for instance, if I know that the CEO or the finance manager or even a regular employee in this company are interested in cars, and he did enroll or he did register in any blogs related to cars or traveling or anything, I can start or I can initiate a communication with him as a travel agency, for instance, that we have a good package, or maybe a car agency. So I can know from where should I start communicating with him. And since this is his hobbies or this is what he's interested in, I can get his attention on that. Now, there is some website that can help you doing it. And there is some search engine as well. So I'm going to start with a very popular search engine. It's called People. And People is written this way, P-I-P-L. This is a very good people search engine where you can just write anything that you know about anyone. You know his name, his email, his phone number, any username, and you're going to search in different blogs and different websites. So anything that this user has been enrolled in, you're going to get a result about it. And people don't know how much information about themselves are available online. You can do this practice for yourself. You can write your phone number or email or your regular name and check the amount of information that is available about you online that people can or hackers, malicious hacker can utilize against you. So it's a very nice search engine, people search engine, and it's a global one. It's not related to a specific country. You can search for anything. Another website, but actually this is related to US, is called Zaba Search. And Zaba Search, it's only related to US. So if you type here, for instance, John Smith, okay, and you search in all 50 states, you're going to see that some of the information you'll be getting free and some you have to pay for it. So for instance, there is John Smith that is on, this is his phone number in Florida. And if you need to get a background check, if you need to get a property check, you have to pay for that. But at least you are getting his phone number and his location and his address, exact address. Quite interesting. Now, whoever did this website, definitely he didn't create the website to be misused for any ethical hacking activity, but it's for like background check. So if you need to check about someone, you can check from here. But anyway, it gets misused easily. So this is another website. Another like tools that you can use is a social network. And actually one of the things that I'm using all the time, and by the way, I removed my personal account from this specific website because, you know, you're going to see how dangerous it is. It's LinkedIn. LinkedIn, which is a professional network website, it's a very good source to get information about people, especially professional information. So I can know exactly what you are doing and where you are working right now, and the type of working and or the job descriptions that you are following. And by doing that, I can misuse that. I can send you an email like a job offer telling you that we have a job offer, and I can put job description similar to what you are doing. And there was a case actually where this has actually happened before. So you should be careful what you are putting on the internet regarding your professional experience, because sometimes I can get to know what kind of operation is going in your company from your job description, or what kind of system is there, or the infrastructure, are they using Cisco or HP or and so on. So as a penetration tester or as an ethical hacker, you need to see the people working in this company, what kind of information they are writing down. Do they write very detailed technical information about what they are doing? So I can utilize that in my attack, to then write a lot of information about their job description. So those are some of the sources that can be used regarding people search. Now, during this section where we are footprinting, we are just collecting information. We don't have a specific checklist like next section where we are doing scanning. We're going to have a specific checklist. Here we don't. Here we have just like headlines, what I'm looking for. And I'm checking, and according to the result, I'm going to check something else and so on. But you need to spend some time collecting information, and do not rush going to the ethical hacking part. Because unless you have good background information about your target, technical and non-technical, you should not be able to establish or submit a successful attack. So keep searching, spend some time in searching, spend time in scanning and enumeration, and try to gather as much information as you can. This will facilitate the process of ethical hacking.